Hello guys, if you'll watch this short video, you will be able to make a stage 1 map for your 1.9 Di. Today I will show you how to make a stage 1 file for 1.9 Di PD100. This engine is found in a lot of cars from VAG group. On this type of engine it's really simple to make a stage 1 map because all the fuel maps are already calibrated from factory. You just need to give it a little bit more boost and raise some limiters. Okay, let's start working now. On the driver wish map you can let it stock or increase it a little bit at full throttle. I will add 5 mg in my map for 85 and 100% throttle position. In the torque limiter map, I will modify just the 900 and 1000 atmospheric pressure rows. I will add around 3-4 mg of fuel for low RPM and around 10 mg between 2000 RPM and 3500 RPM, and then I will smooth the area around. On the smoke limiter map, I will change the 1000 column. I will raise the values after 1600 RPM to 57 mg of fuel. This means an AFR of 17.5. IQ by map and IQ by map, we don't need to touch them, and as well with start of injection limiter. And as I told you in the beginning, the IQ maps are already calibrated for 60 mg of fuel from factory. We can see here in the start of injection and duration maps, and we don't need to touch them. Now I will raise a little bit the target boost on the last two columns. I don't even need to change the axis, but I will change the last column to 55 because this is my highest value on the torque limiter map. I will put max value in this map for a boost to 2100 millibars. Without atmospheric pressure this means 1.1 bar, and this will give us enough air to burn 55 milligrams of fuel. Now, if I increase the boost request, I also need to increase the atmospheric pressure limiter a little bit higher than the boost request. Boost pressure guard or single value boost limiter, there is no need to touch it because it's already higher than the target boost. If your car is overboosting with a pressure bigger than this value, your car will enter in limp mode and will give you positive deviation error on VCDS. On the N75 map, I will raise it a little bit in the last two columns because I don't want the car to overboost. And I will also change the last column to 55. I used these exact same values in a few Passats and Audi's PD100 and there was no overboosting, but depending on your turbo condition you can do a log with VCDS on channel 11 and check the target boost and the actual boost. And the EGR valve, I will let it active. And this is a simple way to make a stage 1 map. Now if we check in the power simulator, we can see that the power and torque increased. I don't know how accurate it is, but with this IQ and boost pressure you should have at least 120 horsepower. Thanks a lot for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Until next time, take care of you and goodbye.